This pumpkin, pretty well done. I'm going to make the stem black. And I think I'm going to put gold dots on the corners. And then we have this one done. And all I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put some top coat on it to make it shiny. And we have this one done. And I'm not going to put any gold on that. And now this one, and this will be the last of the pumpkins I paint this year, but this one I just marked out checks, but these are only going to be 2, so I don't know how that's going to look actually, but oh well. And then I'm going to put stripes, black and white stripes going this way, and then I'm going to do this orange with polka dots, I think, or orange here. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so I've got this much done. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do next. I'm going to do orange in here somewhere. I might even do black polka dots here. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so wait. I got to get my... Where are my daubers? There they are. Okay. That'll be cute. But I do want to put some orange in there, in this one, just to make it pop a little. Okay. Well, I think that would be too big. Shoot. I don't know. I hate when I can't make up my mind. Black is so messy. Okay. So and this pumpkin is from Hobby Lobby. Okay. Getting up here with this brush is a little bit more tricky because it's a fatter. I should, whoop! Oh my gosh. Stuff all over. I'll get a little brush and go up in the corner. Maybe I can. Oh, that worked. Okay, cool. All right, now over here. Oh. I'm back again, and I think what I'm going to do, I need a little bit of color in here. So I think, you see this ridge right here? I think I'm just going to do this little part, and that little part, and this, and that one, in a couple colors. Canyon Orange and Spiced Pumpkin, okay? And these are the only two that will be painted with any kind of color, because don't forget we have these, okay? And we have this one. So we're going to finish this one up, and then we're going to put our wreath together, guys, and we'll be done with my family room. What do you think? Does that sound like a plan? Does that sound like a plan, Sam? All right, trying to get my fan over here. We're still in the midst of a huge heat wave, and I mean, I'm talking 3 digits. I want it to leave. God. It's midnight. And it is 79 degrees at midnight. Midnight, my friends. Anyway, all right. Let's get going on this. Got to get this done because we have a few Halloween little cuties that I'm making, which I think you're gonna like. If anyone's a Hocus Pocus fan, I'm going to decorate my home. Well, not my home, but you know what I mean. The part I decorate for Halloween will be Hocus Pocus. Okay. There we go. A little out there. Not going to need a whole lot. Yeah, those are nice colors. And I don't need a big brush. As a matter of fact, well, yeah, I guess this one will be okay. Okay, I went ahead, did orange, did more than I thought because it just didn't work doing a little bit. So now I'm coming back and just putting our white into our courtly check. A little bit of white. And then I put the black polka dots on the white and the white polka dots on the black. And now I'm going to wait for this to dry, and I'll probably go over the orange one more time. Then I'm going to gloss it just like I did the other ones, okay? And this was with, I think this was with triple thick, but this one I just did with the Mod Podge, the gloss. So that's probably what I'm going to do with this one. But now I'm going to let it dry, then we'll come back and